Hi guys, in this video I will guide you through how to delete a task in Asana. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be opened from the bottom of your mobile screen, select the option Task. Once you'll select, you will see all the list of your tasks which you have in Asana. Now you can manage the view of it by clicking on the menu icon. And you can set it as board or whatever you want. You can see I assign it to board, but I think the previous one was a bit better. Okay, now in order to delete any specific task, first you have to select the task which you want to delete. Just like I have a single task. If I click on it, here is the list of this task where I can do description, subtask for whatever I want. Now in order to delete, click on these three dots. And here you can see the option of delete task on the last. Simply click on it and delete it. Then the task will be deleted, and that's it.